Hey guys, today we're going to answer this question: can I use ChatGPT as a vacation planner? Yeah, so I know. What do I know? I feel like I know Vietnam pretty well. So I'm planning a vacation to Vietnam. The vacation is 14 days long. It starts in Saigon and ends in Hanoi. Please recommend places to visit and things to do. I want to see 5 different cities during this trip. Please recommend local cuisine in each stopping city. Please recommend some transport options. Please recommend some other fun activities as well in each city. Let's see what this does. I think that's a decent prompt. It says Vietnam is a beautiful country with a rich cultural history, and there are amazing places to visit and things to do. Here are some recommendations for your 14-day trip from Saigon to Hanoi, including places to visit, local cuisine, transportation options, and fun activities. Okay, here we go. Saigon. Places to visit: the War Remnants Museum, the Reunification Palace, Notre Dame Cathedral, Ben Thanh and Cu Chi tunnels. Local cuisine: pho noodle, banh mi, ban sao, goi kun. Yeah, fucking spring rolls. Transportation options: taxis, motorbike, and cyclos, pedicabs. Fun activities: explore the nightlife district. take a take a tour and visit. Okay. Go to Mekong Delta. Okay, then it says go to Dalat. Visit the Crazy House, Bao Dai Summer Palace, Dalat Flower Park, Lang Blang. Local cuisine is Ban Ka mini pancake. Nice. Ben Trang Nuong, grilled rice paper, soy gak, sticky rice. Oh, nice. Fun activities: trekking in the nearby mountains, visiting waterfalls, enjoying the cool weather. Then it says go to Hoi An, and it tells you to totally skip fucking Da Nang. Go to Hoi An, ancient town, Japanese covered bridge, My Sun Sanctuary, Kua Dai Beach. Local cuisine: Cow Lao, Mi Quang. Mi Quang is Hoi An is in the Quang province, so Mi Quang is noodles of that province. Bun Bao Ban Vak dumplings. Bao means beef. Kum Ga. Kum means rice. Ga means chicken. Kum Ga. Hue. This is not Hue, this is Hue. Places to visit: Imperial City. You know, Hue used to be the capital of Vietnam, so there's a lot of old architecture and old cemeteries. Local cuisine: Bun Bao Hue. Not my favorite. Truth be told, Bun Bao Hue is not my favorite. It's like chicken noodles or beef noodle soup, basically, like you'd get in a can. It really feels like Campbell's. Pen Bao steam rice cake. Yeah. Okay. Transportation. Interesting. Yeah. So this will give you a full food tour. Places to visit in Hanoi: Ho Chi Minh Molosseum, Old Quarter, Ha Long Bay. Ha Long Bay's awesome. Bun Cha, grilled pork noodle, pho, banh mi, baguette sandwich, Chakalong Va, Chakalavong, taxis, motorbike, bicycle, train, fun activity. Okay, yeah. So this thing could totally give you a good starting point for planning a vacation using ChatGPT, and you could probably you could probably learn a lot about a country, about what vacation it would plan for you. And I bet if you put more stuff in here, like not just local cuisine, like what if I said, you know, what if I change this prompt? Let's go to a new chat. Please recommend places to visit, things to do. We'll see 5 days. Please recommend local cuisine. Okay. Please recommend, instead of local cuisine, I'll say the most popular city street. I want to know what the most popular street is. Like in Saigon, they're going to say Bou Vien, probably. Oh, shoot. Popular street, Dong Co. Interesting. Oh, and then now it says go to Nha Trang. Interesting. So it's giving us different cities here. Hoi An is still making it to the list because Hoi An's basically middle of the way through the city. Hoi An. I don't know why it's recommending Hue over Da Nang. Probably because Da Nang's so close to Hue, or Hoi An rather. Okay, what if I said to it, what's the big nightlife street in HCMC? They're gonna. I hope they say Bưu Vien. Do they know that? Bưu Vien, yeah. Very cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and enjoy the content.